Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have some exciting news. I got a part for my car and we're gonna install it. It is getting late, but it was raining in the morning and I couldn't install it, so I just waited and now it stopped raining. Hopefully it doesn't rain again, but I'm gonna go wash the car and prep it so we can put the part on. And can y'all guess what part I got? So I'm very excited to put it on. So come along with me to wash the car and get it prepped so I can put the piece on. Alright guys, so I finished washing the car. It is kind of dark, so kind of run out of sunlight. I'm going to take off this hood and I'm going to install a new hood on. So let's see how it goes. Right there. You got yours in?
It's not going in, bruh.
Why are you moving so much?
I'm not even doing nothing. She's talking.
It doesn't want to go in, bro. Oh. Gaps? Not really, right? This close is good. Oh my god, it looks so good. GT86 from Alright guys, that is the final result. This is the Seaman DV style hood that I got. It is carbon fiber, but I got it painted black. Let me know in the comments below, what do y'all think of this carbon hood? It is pretty different. I don't really see that many people with this type of car have this style of hood. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like on this video, and see y'all on the next one. Bye.